a tiny little creature, humming in little whispers, flapping their wings 80 times per second. Energy and vitality with no end. Hum, hum, hummingbird, where is your home, hummingbird? Hum, hum, little bird, I love to see some hummingbirds. Tiny but mighty, joyful and sassy, enjoying life's sweet little pleasures. These tiny little treasures. Hum, hum, hummingbird, where is your home, hummingbird?